Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night.
Good day mga idol, nandito po tayo sa Honda Flagship Store. Located siya sa East Avenue, Quezon City upang mag-update ng isa na namang motor ng Honda, ang Honda XRM DS. Tara at samahan niyo ako tignan. Let's go!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Ito ang Honda XRM Dual Sports Motard Edition. Sa harapan ay bubungod sa iyo ang medyo old school pa rin na halogen type headlight na may Honda logo sa taas. Nakahiwalay na turn signal na naka-valve type pa rin. May malapad at medyo mataas na front fender. Naka-telescopic ang kanyang front suspension. Pagdating naman sa kanyang braking system ay naka-single hydraulic disc brake with single pot caliper. May magandang black color wheel set. Samantala, ang sukat naman ng kanyang gulong sa unahan ay 70 by 90 by 17. Tube type pa rin siya mga idol. Naka-fully digital naman ang kanyang front panel. Medyo may kaliitan nga lang, but still, kitang-kita pa rin naman ang mga impormasyon habang sakay ka ng motor. Naka-mechanical key pa rin ang kanyang susian. May mahaba at naka-naked handlebar. Sa bandang kanan, makikita ang kanyang push start button. Pagdako naman sa kaliwa ng handlebar ay ang high and low beam, turn signal at horn button. May typical at standard side mirror na mukha namang matibay at may kalakihan, kaya goods na yan mga idol. Bagaman matagal na ang Honda XRM ay nabigyan pa rin ito ng modern looks. Maganda at bumagay ang color combination na light gray at black pairings na sinamahan pa na gray and yellow na decals. Naka PGM-FI dahilan para maging isa sa pinakamatipid sa gas ang motor na ito. Sa magkabilang gilid, makikita ang malaki at magandang design ng decals na may nakasulat na XRM125 sa glossy black niyang pairings. Sa ibaba ng kanang bahagi ay ang kickstart na magagamit kung magkaaberya ang battery ng motor mo. Pagdako naman sa unahan ay ang brake pedal para sa rear brake. May standard at ordinary black foot peg para sa angkas. May muffler guard o heat guard protection sa ating mga binti para iwas paso kung aksidenteng tayo ay madikit. Pagdating naman sa kanyang rear suspension, ginamitan siya ng swing arm twin shock absorber. Naka-single hydraulic disc brake with single pot caliper ang rear braking system. Ang sukat naman ng kanyang gulong sa hulihan ay 80 by 90 by 17 tube type. Ang XRM ay naka 4-speed semi-manual transmission. Nasa bandang kaliwa ng motor ang pedal shifter, foot peg. Makikita rin sa baba ang side stand at center stand. Mas pinaganda at pinamodern ang design ng kabitan ng footpeg ng angkas. Bagaman ay old school pa rin na dekadena, masasabi natin na low maintenance naman siya at malaki ang matitipid mo dito. Sinamahan pa ng low gas consumption na 66.6 km per liter. Nandyan pa rin ang chain guard. Naka full compact taillights, bagaman bulb type ay maliwanag pa rin naman dahil may kalakihan din naman ito. Ang Honda XRM ay may displacement na 125cc, 4-stroke, single overhead cam at may full tank capacity na 3.9 liters. Ang kanyang maximum power ay 7.12 kW at 7,500 RPM at mayroon siyang maximum torque na 9.55 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Pagdating naman sa kanyang dimension, meron siyang height na 1,045 mm, width na 817 mm, length na 1,927 mm, ang kanya namang seat height ay 774 mm at meron siyang ground clearance na 144 mm. Ang Honda XRM 125 Dual Sport Motard ay nagkakahalaga ng 75,890 pesos.